I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook link sausage in an air fryer. First, ensure your air fryer is clean and ready. Preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking. A light spray of cooking oil in the basket will prevent any sticking, making cleanup much easier. This simple preparation step is key for perfectly cooked sausages. Now, carefully arrange your link sausages in a single layer within the preheated air fryer basket. It's important not to overcrowd them, as this allows the hot air to circulate properly, ensuring each sausage cooks evenly and gets that lovely crispy exterior. Cook them for 8 to 12 minutes, making sure to flip them over halfway through. This ensures both sides are beautifully browned and cooked through. To ensure your sausages are perfectly cooked and safe to eat, use a meat thermometer to check that they've reached an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. They should also appear golden brown and feel firm. Once cooked, transfer them to a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more flavorful and tender sausage. Your delicious air-fried link sausages are now ready to enjoy. They pair wonderfully with eggs, pancakes, or even in a breakfast sandwich. If you prefer them extra crispy, simply cook them for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Remember to clean your air fryer basket soon after use. This prevents food from sticking and makes future cooking sessions a breeze. Enjoy your perfectly cooked sausages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.